Hello and welcome to another unboxing at Gadgets 360. Today we have with us Motorola's latest budget smartphone from its E-series lineup, the Moto E6S. So without any further ado, let's get to the unboxing. But before we go ahead, please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already and hit that bell icon so you know when we post a new video. Now let's get started. This is the box of the Moto E6S with the phone's branding at the front. There are some key specifications listed on the side. At the back there's an image of the phone, and that's about it. Very minimal affair. Now let's quickly check the contents of the box. So we get the phone up front. It comes with a Soft Tpu Case pre-installed. Let's take it out. Again, some key specifications of the smartphone listed on the sticker. Let's peel it off. And this is the Moto E6S. We have the polished graphite color variant with us. Let's keep the phone aside for a moment and take a look at the other things. So the first thing is the SIM converter adapter if you wish to convert your nano SIM into a micro SIM. Next, there are some documents. Moving on, there is a power brick, a USB cable, and finally the phone's battery. And here's a quick look at everything that you get inside the box of the Moto E6S. The Moto E6S sports a 6.1-inch HD Plus Max Vision display. There's a small notch up top that houses the 8-megapixel front camera. The chin is very sizable on this smartphone. The volume and power buttons are found on the right. The bottom houses a microphone, a USB port, and a single speaker grill. The left side is empty, and finally there's a 3.5mm headphone jack at the top. The fingerprint sensor resides inside the Motorola Batwing logo found at the rear. The Moto E6S comes with a removable back, and that is where the 3000 mAh battery and the SIM slots are also located. We have to say that the plastic back panel is very flimsy and appears to attract scratches and fingerprints quite easily. Moving on, the smartphone runs on Android 9 Pie and is powered by the MediaTek Helio P22 processor. This is coupled with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of inbuilt storage. Storage is expandable on this device with the help of a microSD card to up to 512GB. In terms of optics, there's a dual camera setup present at the back comprising of a 13-megapixel primary camera coupled with a 2-megapixel depth sensor. And that was our unboxing and first look at the Moto E6S. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video and share it with others. Thanks for watching, and for all things tech, log on to gadgets360.com.